Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete DAZN account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first is to cancel your subscription. So go to the settings, then once you're inside the settings, simply tap on the Apple ID name on the top. Then once you're inside, simply tap on subscriptions, and here find the DAZN subscription, and then simply tap on it and select cancel the subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully cancel the subscription. Then once you have canceled the subscription, simply head over back to your home screen, then open up the DAZN app, and once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that. Now inside your profile, select settings. Now once you're inside your settings, select account settings. Then once you're inside your account settings, you'll be getting the option that says delete account. Simply tap on that and then tap on delete account once again and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your DAZN account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.